Morning friends, this is Karthik and my channel name is futurecivilengineering.in. Today I will discuss about a topic regarding the journal publication with low cost and rapidly you will publish your paper on your international conferences and platforms using these low cost publication journals platforms. So that I will show that one simple and emerging international journal, that is IRJMETS. So just type this IRJMETS using this Google platform and then just click search button, and after that a website will be pop up. Then just click on this IRJMETS website, nothing but International Journal of Modernization in Engineering and Technology and Science. Using this platform we will publish your paper easily and rapidly within 4 hours after accepting your paper with an accessible and permissible limits of plagiarism. So we will see that in the author section we will see call for paper and submit paper your online. So just click on the submit paper online. So we will see in the submit paper your online your paper, and in author details just click and add your paper and submit the file. Then after that the chief editor will be given a confirmation mail is your paper will be accepted, then only we will publish you, then only we will pay and publish your paper with limited amount of fee, nothing but publication or article processing charges, nothing but 599 rupees using this IRJMETS. So just we will see that in the right side menu, just click on it and just click pay fees. So we will see that how much of is the cost to publish your paper. So for Indian author the fees for the publication is 599 rupees, for foreign authors $23. So just enter your author name, paper ID, paper title, email and contact, and then submit. Finally your paper will be published within 4 hours and we will get an e-certificate regarding the publication. So friends, I will show that I will publish my paper using this platform. So till date I will publish my 6 number of journals, various international journals and conferences in my Bachelor of Technology level. So we will be also interested about these researchers and journals. So just click on these archives and go to past issues. So I will show that my journal in this platform. So just scroll it and go to volume 2 and click on issue 11 on November 2020. So on this date, on this year I will publish my paper. So just see that a table of performa will be up here, serial number, paper name and download. So my serial number is 88. I will remember this. Okay, so just scroll it and go to serial number 88. So we will see that Six Sigma concept evolution in construction industry. So it is my research topic by D Karthik. So just download and the paper will be download. So I will download my paper before, so that it will be show that do you want download again. So I will download for you, and it will be loading a little bit of time. Please friends wait. Yeah, so the PDF will be open. So we will see that IRJMET is nothing but International Research Journal of Modernization in Engineering and Technology and Science. So using this low cost article processing charge nothing but 599 rupees, and within 4 hours we will publish your paper with little bit of plagiarism limit, and all you will meet all the requirements of journal. So we will see my name is D Karthik and my affiliation details, my college details and paper, and how to write my paper and how to publish my paper in this journal. So just to see that, so I named my topic name as Six Sigma concept in construction industry. So in this way we will publish your research paper use with low cost and very rapid time using this platform, nothing but IRJMATS. Yeah, so I will publish my paper, volume 2, issue 11, November 2020. And it having a good impact factor 5.354 and ISSN, nothing but International Standard Serial Number, so that we will differentiate your journals. So in this way we will publish your journals, friends. So all of you, please subscribe my channel, so please encourage it. So we will give whatever the information related to civil engineering based on your request. Thanking you all. Yeah, just to see how I publish my paper and research paper using this platform, International Research Journal of Modernization in Engineering and Technology and Science. So thank you, friends. Bye. Yeah.